Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to buy stuff on Amazon with your Cash App. So it is very easy to do. Just follow this video till the end and you will be able to buy your items on Amazon using your Cash App. So first thing you need to do is open up your amazon.com and then log in your account. Once you have logged in, what you need to do is just add the item to your cart that you want to buy. So you can select any item that you want to purchase. So just simply open up the product page and then click on add to cart and also click on buy now button. Now once you have the item added in your cart, what you need to do is just go to your account and again click on this account option. So just click on that, and from here you have to open up this option called your payments. Open that, and after this you have to click on this button called add a payment method. Now once you do that, it will open up this page. So from here you have to add your payment method. So if you want to add your Cash App as a payment method, you need to have Cash App card. So first you need to apply for that, and once you receive your Cash App card, you can add your Cash App card by clicking this add a card or debit card option. Now once you click on that, it will open up this window where you have to enter your Cash App card number, name on your card, expiration date and security code, and then click on this add your card. And once you do that, this payment method will be used as a funding source when you try to buy your items. So just like I have added a product in my card, and I will click on this proceed to check out. Now once you go to the checkout page, it will show you all the payment methods that you have linked. So once you add your Cash App card here, it will show up right here, so you can select it and then click on this use this payment method, and your item will be purchased using your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.